Welcome to Linux Help. Today we gonna see install Bitbucket on Oracle Linux 8.8. Bitbucket Cloud is a Git-based code hosting and collaboration tool designed for teams. Bitbucket best-in-class Jira and Trello integration and are developed to bring the whole software team together to execute a project. First, I'm going to check the OS version by using the following command. The OS version of the Oracle Linux is 8.8. Next, download the Java package by using the following command. Next, I am going to download Git by using the following command. Give yes. Next, I am going to download Bitbucket package by using the following command. Next, I am going to rename the download file by using the following command. Next, give the executive permission to the file by using the following command. Next, I am going to add firewall by using the following command. Next, I am going to reload the firewall by using the following command. Next, I am going to configure the Bitbucket by using the below command. Next, I am going to configure Bitbucket by using the following command. Add those following lines. Next, I am going to run Bitbucket by using the following command. Give next. Give next. 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 Default port is 7990. Finish. Enter the IP address with port number. This is the Bitbucket setup dashboard. This is the process to install Bitbucket on Oracle Linux 8.8.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.